a product, people want to consume it or they ignore it.
Yeah, but sometimes people don't even know you have a product because sometimes other things are hyped up that are not necessarily the best thing, but because of the hype, because a man climb up on this or a man do some foolishness, you know, it's distracted from real music some of the time.
But that's a part of the music scene that you're a part of.
It's true, but if me follow that me I go end up in a prison like Kartel just to get a little hype, me not gonna do that. You understand? Enough artists not gonna do that something there. You understand? Cause even in Jamaica you just know say the thing messed up a certain way, cause I still don't understand how a man for in a prison and still I get so much song I play and people out there hustling every day, studio writing good songs and them can't get them songs played. So that alone just shows say some mix up are going or some bias business are going.
A lot of Kartel fans are not going to like to hear that.
Well, them always attack and cow down people. Me don't care if them want call me down, me I talk the truth and them know the truth too. Because realistically, if me did lock up in a prison, you wouldn't hear one song from me.
So you think the authorities should pull the plug on Kartel voicing in prison?
Well, me not really try force down a man fool because I'm have to do him thing.
Ways. They should pull the plug on it or not.
I feel based on if a man is convicted of something, definitely him to pay the consequences of it. Me never tell him to do what him do, and me not fight against him. Me not hate Kartel. Me like him music, but at the same time, over the years they say artists go to prison all in America. Ja Rule, the whole of them, and you don't hear one song from them. So it's like you're living the same way you're living in prison that you're living on the road, and it's kind of unfair because enough artists go to prison and you never hear one thing from them too. I don't think nothing is wrong with it, but there needs to be a balance. Balance is the most important thing in Anthony. You can play some Kartel, but yeah, you have some man who do them thing too, play them too, because guess what? Kartel can't tour in a prison. So if a song bust, what am I gonna do? Just put out a video saying they're in a prison, push the people them who they are road, we can go out there and push up the flag on a different level, not just in a prison. Cause trust me, him can do him thing, but have little sense. Too much that in a dance hall, that's what I realize. Too much that I play music, too much that say them a selector, too much that come on TV and act like them are the man and them can create people.
Who are some of those idiots?
Boom boom, the biggest idiot of all. In company, every time I see him I lock off my TV because him talk too much foolishness and I don't if him even know music past the little level where him know. Some of the people who him a shun down, I do more for the music and you're not even hearing about them than some of the people that him hyping up.
Any other idiots you want to mention?
Enough idiot out there, no, but him are the biggest one. You see him, me didn't rate him at first, but when I see him come on TV and talk foolishness, I was in the States and I watching that and I said, yo, somebody need to put a muzzle on this idiot. And me are the person. I don't care if him want vex, him need to shut up.
Definition of a hypocrite. Me never know. Them bad mind so. Smiling from your face. Believe me, say. Never know them bad.